Hello and welcome to AP Calculus Unit 6, question 14. So the question asks, if f of x is an even function and f prime of 0 is defined, what must f prime of 0 equal? Draw a diagram to support your conclusions. So let's break this down by the information that we're given. So we're given two critical pieces of information. So first, we know that f of x is an even function. Okay, so what that means is that f of negative x is equal to f of x. And this will be the case whenever you have an even function. And this basically means that the function will be symmetrical about the y-axis. And then the second piece of information that you're given is that f prime of 0 is defined. So basically what this means is that you're not going to have a cusp at f prime of 0, so you're not going to have anything like this where at 0 it's a sharp edge. You're going to have something more like this right here where it's symmetrical about, that doesn't look very symmetrical, but it's symmetrical about the y-axis, and it's a smooth curve at x equals 0, no cusp. So basically, you can tell any graph that you draw will have to be symmetrical around about the y-axis. So even if you draw something like this, it'll have to go like that on the other side. So if at x equals 0 there's no cusp, and if the graph is symmetrical about the y-axis, then you know the slope at x equals 0 has to be 0. So at f prime of 0, f prime of 0 is equal to 0. The slope at x equals 0 is equal to 0. There's no slope. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you learned how to figure out the slope at a certain point given this information.